we have our first assignment, which is a monthly budget in Microsoft Excel. Now, this, don't put your actual information in here. Use hypothetical numbers. Keep your privacy, but you may want to, when you're done with the assignment, actually use this for a budget. But, keep yourself private, right? So when you're working through this assignment, don't give me your actual bank account information. Just put something in there as a placeholder for you to work through the assignment. If you want to put approximations of your actual expenses, that's fine. But just know that I'm not expecting this to be real life. I'm expecting to see that you know how to do things in Excel. On this one, there is a video tutorial that will walk you through how to do the assignment. If you get stuck on something, you have that there to help you. But what I'm looking for is 5 line items in your budget. I want something about, I want a pay category. I want to see something about your bank account. And I need to see groceries, utilities, entertainment, something in that realm. They can be other things that speak more to you, that are more familiar to you. But keep in mind, I want to see separate tabs, separate pages. So using the groceries, utilities, entertainment example, right? You're going to have one tab of your summary, and then one for groceries, one for utilities, one for entertainment, and then those all have to reconcile out to the main page, right? You'll be using absolute references across sheets to pool that information across. I want to see formulas to calculate out expenses and all of those sorts of things. I want to see how the totals, I want totals in formulas. And also make it your own, right? If you want to see averages, if you want to do some more functions, please go ahead and do so. And then of course, I want it to look good, right? So make it neat, make it clean, have your spelling be proper. And then also, once you're done with that, I want a chart included. Chart needs to be on its own sheet, on its own tab, based on your budget. Don't leave it with that default title of Chart 1. Change that title to be something useful. And then when you submit it on Canvas, put a comment about why you chose that chart and why you think it is a good thing to include with your expenses. So again, all of what I'm going to grade you on is all right here. There is a video tutorial if the instructions are not clear. That is assignment 1 for this week. And then we talked about pivot tables on the last part. So you can go back and review it here, go out to GCF to review those same videos we just talked about. And then we have an assignment based on pivot charts as well. And again, there is a video tutorial to help you out if you get stuck along the way. For this one, first thing you need to do is download this file, the baseball.xlsx, and we're going to work with that to complete this assignment. So remember, we have to insert our pivot table onto a new worksheet, and then we can start doing what we need to do with it, right? So it's going to tell you, put the league in the column, team in the rows, just follow the instructions, right? And then also, I want to see a chart with the home run percentage and all of these sorts of things. And good news for you, right? We have this tutorial, and then we also have a solution for you to compare against to make sure that you got where I want you to get, right? So you can kind of reference this one to say, oh, did I do what I was supposed to do, or what was a little bit different? You know, if you just submit that solution back to me, you're not going to get any points. I want you to download this first one, work your way through it, make sure you're hitting all the criteria I'm asking for, and then you'll be in good shape. So we have our budget and our pivot table are the two assignments for this week. I'm going to go ahead and stop recording now.